Rightlynd? Oh, honey, Rightlynd. We've been through a lot. Lived here my whole life, but the past, 9, 10 years, schools shut down, cops rocking the block, stores going down, big old penthouses going up, 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 and we're on our way out. But that got me to thinking, we need a damn good party. So tonight, I'm having some people over. Old friends, true friends, black and brown, tried and true friends. And they need a spot to cool down. Let loose one last time. So they're gonna eat, they're gonna drink, and they will screech and they will holler, they will ignite like bats lit hot off the fire of hell. And you ain't gonna say a goddamn thing. By God as my witness, never get it twisted. My house stands strong. Here's your invite, honey. See you at 6.